difference. A big shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Vikings War of Clans, the free online MMO strategy game that is taking over right now. I've been asked to test it out, and seriously, this game is so addictive. It's got the sickest 3D visuals and a fully immersive soundtrack that puts you right in the middle of the action. You're not listening, people. Unlike most shoot 'em up games on the market where if you blink for a second you're dead, Vikings War of Clans lets you play for as long or as little as you like, and you can just pick up again whenever you want. What I really like about this game is that you can choose your own style of gameplay. Some players choose to be explorers, some are achievers, and you already know what I am. I'm a conqueror. One track mind to becoming warlord, crushing all my enemies and taking no prisoners. Alright, now seriously, there's so many things to like about Vikings War of Clans. For me personally, my favourites are all the live events and competitions I could take part in, the strategic warfare and team play elements, and especially the classic gameplay rules that are missing from so many other MMO games these days. So guys, help support my channel by downloading Vikings for free using my links in the description below, and you'll get a special bonus of 200 gold coins and a protective shield. And whilst you're in the game, be sure to look me up and join my clan under my nickname RickyLLF, LLF. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll now play the video. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Living Life Fast, and guess who we've got?
We've got Calvin.
No, man like Calvin.
Man like Calvin.
He's back. Like, how have you been, Calvin? Though?
Yeah, I've been alright, man. Just been busy,
man.
man. On it.
Yeah. You been good?
I've been good, man. Busy. And,
yeah. Just thought, sorry.
What are we doing?
What's the crack? I don't know where the crack
I'll tell you what, I need fuel, man.
You need fuel, yeah?
I need fuel. We need to
Did
get
we
the
just
petrol.
drive by? Oh no, you need 99.
Yeah, BP,
Oh no,
man.
you probably put 95 in there, didn't you?
Yeah, save. I've got to watch Money Nice. Skin. Hashtag.
Skin. Yeah. But guys, anyway, look, we're in Calvin's RS6. There has been some new modifications done. You're probably watching this after it's gone live on your channel, right?
Yeah, so the video, or like introducing this to my channel, would have gone live. Yeah. Hopefully, because if you uploaded before...
I don't know, it might be the day before.
Yeah.
So, Calvin, you're running hybrids.
So hybrid
What's
turbos.
going on, son?
So Turbo Technics got in touch with, they got in touch with me. We had a chat about putting some bigger turbos on the RS6, just to get more power out of it. Yeah. And to run, like a lot of people are running 800 bhp on stock turbos. We want to run 800 bhp comfortably and get more power throughout the whole rev range. So Turbo Technics, hybrid turbos, MEF injection kit.
So did it not have MEF before?
Didn't have MEF before. It was 700 and just over 700 bhp before on the stock turbos with no MEF. Yeah, it was just an experiment, just to get more power out of it.
Yeah, and what have you achieved then? Has it been back on a dyno?
So it's back on a dyno, 820 bhp. So
wow, 820 horsepower.
Running at a comfortable 820 brake horsepower.
And on the hybrids?
On the hybrids.
Okay, and sorry, you say that's from Turbo Technics, yeah?
Turbo Technics.
So this is one of the first.
Yeah, so it was literally, like I say, it was an experiment. It was the first time it had ever been done. I'm sure there are definitely other RS6s out there that have got bigger turbos on them. It's not everyone running stock turbos.
Not really in the UK though.
Not really in the UK.
I did an RS6 video, sorry, and the guy did mention that there is a powerful one apparently. I don't know whose that is, but as I say, nothing official that anybody knows of.
Nothing on social media and that. And yeah, there's a big issue with cooling. You know about that with RS6s. So we're running a lot of MEF. There's a lot of MEF. A lot of MEF, man. Got bigger downpipes as well, because we was running 2.5 inch downpipes before, so.
Oh, man, this car just sounds lovely, doesn't it?
So quick, man.
Yeah, so,
let's get in front of
this car. This car sounds Ooh.
It's in auto.
Making bangs like that before?
Nah, it's making a few more bangs, a bit more noise.
It sounds so natural in this car, doesn't it? Yeah, that's a nice hit. What's the torque figure? 800 plus foot-pounds.
800 plus foot-pounds, yeah, 1100.
1100 newton meters.
Yeah. And you can feel it, can't you?
Oh yeah, man, that's a lot stronger, isn't it? Fucking hell, Calvin.
Fucking hell, mate.
You sure you can hold on to that wheel?
Do you know what? It's a bit of a struggle, man. I'm just thinking about racing Super M4. That's what I'm thinking.
Mate, come on.
Come
don't
on,
want to
mate.
go there.
Come on,
I don't want to
mate.
hand you that smoke yet, Calvin.
Oi, I'm definitely going to smoke you as well.
You reckon?
100%.
Okay, alright,
Definitely.
yeah, the confidence.
Hold on.
But how many cars have you bought?
Oh, don't,
Swear to
man.
God, this guy, he's taken the complete piss out of YouTube, is all I'm saying. The guy's bought 40 cars last week. And he's got 40 videos lined up. They're all ready to upload to
Do you know what? You want to see the way I've been uploading videos? No jokes. I've got them all uploaded. All in line.
What's the next car you bought? Come on, just give us one sneak.
One
peek
little thing.
for-
What is the next car I bought? See, the funny thing is with me, because I've got my videos scheduled ahead,
Yeah.
my real life and my YouTube life is like 2 or 3 weeks apart.
Yeah?
Does that make sense?
Oh, wow.
So what's about to come on YouTube happened in my life 3 weeks ago. So
Wow.
high mileage Range Rover, that's what's coming in my next video.
Okay.
Range Rover.
I mean, you bought 3 of them, ain't you?
Come on, mate.
Yeah, he's in the algorithm,
Mate,
guys.
I'm not trying to-
He's proper playing the algorithm. He's tickling it. People probably think it's mad, isn't it? Obviously, you're a car trader, aren't you? So
Yeah,
this
it's
is your
what I
job
do.
to buy cars.
Well, me and you, like when I started this Diary of a Car Trader thing, me and you had this chat a year or 18 months ago, and I was like,
Yeah.
Ricky, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do Diary of a Car Trader.
Yes.
And I've just done it, and it worked, didn't it? It
Yeah.
worked really well. A lot of people loving it, and I was like, well, why did I not do that sooner?
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing anyway. What's the point of
Yeah.
me going out of my way to find content when I'm just surrounded by it?
Yeah.
So, yeah,
A
man.
gazillion cars.
A gazillion cars, literally. Not literally. Is that even a real...
Gazillion.
Gazillion, is that a real number?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Who done the mod? VRS?
VRS done it.
VRS, yeah.
Shout out to VRS, man. He's proper sound.
So there must have been some trouble getting this work done then, because as I say, there's not many people. Like, there are some people that would say there's no point in putting hybrids on this.
Yeah, so it was just a like trial and error, just trying it, bit more power, keeping that temperature down, running a
Right.
bit more meth.
Yeah.
I think they end up putting
Bigger nozzles.
bigger nozzles,
Yeah.
bigger jets in than the meth
Yeah.
nozzles, and just keep increasing that until they got it to a power level that it was running safe, because that's obviously important.
Yeah. Obviously stock engines.
Stock
like
engine,
internals.
internals were all the same.
So has there been any precautions or any warnings as you've taken it away, like to be careful about something?
Nah, it's been good. I've been a bit skeptical, thinking this car's running big power, but
Yeah.
I like a ring wheel. Wheels like Calvin, trust me, that car's 100%. It's been through hell already, and the way however you think you're going to drive it, it ain't going to be nothing a patch on the way that we've been driving it. So yeah, so
That's a violation, well, you
Well,
can't say that.
it's had to
Cam is
be-
a madman off cam.
it's been it's not like you, mate.
No.
It's been
I'll break. Oh yeah, we demolished the drive shaft, didn't we?
yeah, you actually
We did.
That's the last time we met up. That's how long it's been. But
Yeah, we did the Golf R, didn't we? After that.
Yeah, we did.
So the drive shaft's all sorted. Yeah.
Drive shafts, still running stock drive shafts as well.
But how long have you had the car back?
I got it back last week, so obviously by the time this video goes live, I would have had it a few weeks. But I've barely driven it because right now, like in our life right now, on my channel, no one knows I've got it back. Everyone still thinks it's at VRS.
Yeah.
That's what I mean by
content.
being delayed. So
Like playing games, didn't you, son?
it's not games, man.
I love the
can't,
fucking games, Calvin.
I can't keep up with the editing.
Remember, I want that signed autograph, yeah?
Oh,
and a
mate.
photo, please, for
Mate.
my son.
Look how famous you are.
No,
Pat.
seriously,
You
my
are.
son wants a photo.
Really?
Yeah. Think of some ideas. They're gonna say fucking road trip, aren't they? You need to
know
do
what,
a
that-
road trip.
Talked about that before.
Should we do it? Why didn't we do it?
Why don't we do it? We've got to do it, haven't we?
You got better more money now. You can.
Oh, mate,
you can easily fund
You
this.
are
Calvin.
like, how many?
Listen,
what have you got?
Calvin.
150,000 subscribers now?
No.
Just tell me.
Subscribers are irrelevant.
But just tell me quickly.
Subscribers are relevant, Calvin. I'm a humble man, you know.
All right.
We've been out here for a long time.
So what's your point anyway?
The point is, I think you should fund
Fun.
the videos they want. Come on, Calvin, man.
Mate, come on.
Everyone
man.
knows Ricky's a tight ass, and I didn't pay for the drive shafts, and I break your shit, and
Notice how he's not driving today.
I'm not driving.
I don't mind, but
That is
do
deep.
you want to have a go on my car?
Definitely. I want to feel 820 horses, mate. Mate, this is a lovely motor, isn't it?
It is a proper nice motor, mate, isn't it?
It certainly is.
What's the fastest car you've ever driven? You must get asked
This
that.
Calvin.
No.
I know it's going to be this.
1,000 odd brake horsepower RS6 on a video on the other day. That thing
That was fast, mate.
That was fast. I bet that was fast, wasn't it?
That was very fast, Calvin. The Rs6 I went out in, we went out on the motorway. So, guys, you will see different reactions on a B road. You'll see different reactions on a dual carriageway, and you see different reactions on a motorway. So if I was to actually have driven that Rs6 down a B road, you would have got a whole different reaction. The Nissan GTR video, for example, was down B roads, which is why you was getting like, you know, if you watch it, it's like, whoa. Jeez, man.
It's noisy, isn't it? But how do you have your steering on your M4? Do you have it on comfort?
I have it on comfort, yeah.
It's just a bit lighter, isn't it? It's a bit lighter.
So you can change the weight of this wheel?
Yeah, you can, yeah. So that's probably a bit lighter
now. Yeah, it feels
now.
heavy. Yeah, it felt heavy initially.
Yeah, I don't like it like that.
Hell, boy.
Just check the old meth thing.
I feel a bit soft. I felt a bit like...
It's lively, isn't it?
A bit too quick for me there, man.
I can't believe you're back in the driver's seat of my car.
It's all good, Calvin. It's all good, mate.
You'll be right.
Yeah, I mean, Rs6, what do I say? Like, we've obviously already done a video on this.
I do remember when we was filming that video. Obviously, it broke shortly after we was having a chat about it. But I remember you say about the difference between B roads and dual carriageways and stuff.
Yeah.
I remember being on a dual carriageway with you driving and thinking, there's definitely more to be had in this car.
Yeah, right.
And I just feel like what we've had done to it is giving it that. It's giving it that extra power that I think it needed.
Yeah, I think it does. Like, even just cruising, I just think it doesn't feel more. Feels thicker. Like the power feels
just there, doesn't it?
Definitely a lot more effortless, I think. Low down. Did you get a dynograph of it or no?
Yeah.
I ain't got it with me though.
No, I ain't got it with me though.
Not with me.
Yeah, apparently it's. Yeah, they lost it. I'll get it up on the screen. Yeah, well, you don't do none of that, do you?
What? No, I'm lazy. Calvin definitely makes the most effort with his videos without fail on YouTube. It's unbelievable. The effort is actually unbelievable. Guys, you don't understand. When you watch a Calvin video, just appreciate it, because you're not getting that from me. Man, like overlaying images, going back over old footage. He'll mention, oh yeah, this is what happened last night, and he'll pull up footage of what happened. Like, you know, I just delete all my footage, innit? Like,
do you?
Yeah, I delete everything. Whoa, no, what a difference. Jesus Christ.
It's like to do a wheelie, doesn't it?
No, that's well quick, isn't it?
It's there throughout as well. I talk about that a lot in my videos. That's important. So when you put your foot down, the power's just there at some point.
Yeah, that's a big chunk of power, man. Sends it to the end of the RPM, mate, one time.
It would be interesting to see how it compares against your M4.
You want to race? You want to race, don't you?
Do you know what? I would like to race, but
We're going to have to do it, mate. We're going to have to do it.
We're going to have to do it.
Come on, do it. Mate, this is... Wow.
What?
Yeah, that
I can't believe how quick it is. From a passenger seat, you say
that was ridiculous, isn't it? Wow. I like that a lot. Like, because this car usually puts power down so well. Like, it needs around this kind of horsepower to kind of bring it out of its shell.
It definitely does.
This is the sort of the line that it needs to. This is the
It's where it needs to be at. And I think
it needs to be at. Yeah.
The next stage is obviously weight, like lightweight wheels, maybe. It does feel like it's
lightweight
carrying a lot of weight, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, Nick did lightweight wheels, and it was a transformation. He said
it's worth it.
Massive.
So noisy, isn't it?
That is so. Man, that's fucking mental, isn't it? Just give it one. Wee. Right, so guys, we are going to wrap the video up there. Sorry, it's a bit of a weird video. We wasn't planning to film this, come to film the M6. But yeah, you got a little insight into what it's like. And if you do want to see a proper video on it, check it out on Calvin's channel. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's nice, man.
You might have enjoyed that.
That is lovely.
That was good. You like that, didn't you?
Yeah, man. Fucking listen to that. You hearing this, people? Whoa, this is... Mate, it's brutal, so much faster than before, you know that? That's a lovely upgrade for the Rs6 owner, do you know that? Lovely upgrade. I'd love to see some draggy times on this now.
Yeah, I will do it. mate. Wrap it up. I can't be in the passenger seat with you. Honestly, wrap it up. One more. We've got to go.
Yeah, so guys, as always, if you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and Calvin's links will be in the description. If you've not met Calvin, you probably have met Calvin by now, but I'll leave his YouTube link in the description. So, yes, see you later. What you gonna say, mate?
You're saying that...
Oh, you trying to plug? I plugged you, mate.
No. What I was going to say, you're talking like I'm a big star. You're the big star.
No, mate, this is my show.
No, don't, that's it. That's enough, man. Let's just, should we end the video, yeah?
Yeah, it's done, mate. It's done.
See you later, guys.
See ya.